Yes people, welcome back to another No Limits Urbex special. So we're in the college in Moston on Ashley Lane. Privileged to be here. Absolute beautiful place. As you can see, I'm just on the roof right now. We're starting at the top, we're going to work our way to the bottom. So until next time, peace. Yes, we're on the roof people, check this. This is proper mad. This is madness, this. What's in there? Water tanks, don't really want to go in there because I've not got my light with me. But nevertheless, this is mad, this guys. Absolute mad. One of my first ever explores there. The beautiful 14th century Huff Hall, Moston. Look at this view. This is surreal, this. We're just going upstairs now, guys. Check that for the drop. Some drop, I'm right on the top floor now. Now this place, the students wasn't even allowed up here. So we're very privileged. Look at that there. Epsom cartridges. Any tea and coffee left? Wow. Mad this place. These classrooms are absolutely massive. Hey Chris, you said we can go into workshops as well. Workshops at the back there, separate buildings. Absolute madness.
Whole canteen, this.
This place, man, this is mad. Proper surreal, innit? Oh yeah, look, there's the serving acts for the canteen. This is proper surreal. What's this? Distilled water. This is mad. Check this, we've just come across here now. No mobile phones, iPods, MP3, 4 players, no products with electronic communication storage. Absolute madness, that. We were just talking with Urban Eyes then about when we was in school. Obviously we're in our 30s now, like 30, yeah. We're 30 out of Chris.
Yeah.
And you know, worst we had to deal with when we was back in school in them days was like no talking in the back of the classroom, maybe the odd calculator watch getting passed about.
No writing on that.
Yeah, no writing on your hand. Jeez. Check this, mate. Remember having one of these in my bedroom. Oh no, it's
Yeah, see you, mate.
So Urban Eyes has found some science labs. Oh, what a classic love art there. Oh wow. This is proper nostalgic, innit?
Yeah.
See how the acoustic just dies when you come in here?
Yeah, yeah. Mad, innit?
Yeah? You know why that is?
No, I don't.
When you're doing experiments, that pop and bang, like magnesium test and that,
No, it's
it can damage your ears.
It'll be soundproof.
Wow. madness, this. You can still smell the chemicals, can't you? Which is mad. This place is absolutely amazing, people. Really is. Chemical storeroom. Not much in here. Science prep.
Yeah.
This college is absolutely massive, you know, guys. I don't know where we are. Yes. Hairdressing dispensary. This where you was, Cater. Shout out to Gator. Wow, check this. There's the kitchen. This is where he used to make some scrap. This is mad. Oh, check out the Russian smell, Mitch. Madness, this. Proper mad. Now we do have to hurry up in here now, guys, because they're on to us. Wow. This is mint, this. So much going to waste in these buildings is unbelievable. Oh wow. Everyone's certificate still? Mad that. This is mad, this. So this is obviously where everybody used to come and learn to do the hair. All things to do with beauty. Wow. Mad, innit? I just want to get some pictures of this here. Yes, people, thank you for joining in to another No Limits Urbex special. Today has been an absolute blast at the Manchester Moston College. Now this place is steeped in history, built in the 1960s, closing in 2015, well late 2015. It's stood empty ever since. It's due to be demolished anytime soon. And what an amazing building. We're very, very privileged to have been allowed in here today. This is a permission visit, which we don't really get that often. But I asked nearly 12 months ago and he honoured his word, which was great from an amazing guy. I'm not going to reveal his name or any contact details about him. But as you can see, this building behind me, it's absolutely amazing. It was one of the first buildings built with the actual curve in it like that. It was an absolute pioneer landmark of its time. Check it out, people. Thanks for joining us, thanks for tuning in. I want to say a big shout out to all my new subscribers on YouTube, everybody on Facebook that's come and followed my page. Massive shout out to the one and only Davey boy, the Dragon Suit King. You know who you are, mate. Yes. Peace.